Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use an AI tool to create a 3D model. Here you can search for create text to 3D model AI. Here you will find out different websites and platforms that lets you create 3D model. So this website is recommended, Tripo3d AI. Here you can go and click here start free. You will get free credits on monthly basis. Just you need to create a free account. After that, click here sign in with Google. You can also sign up with your email account. Okay, now let me select one of the account from here and then allow access. Click here continue button. Now you can type anything. For example, let me type here create 3D model for. Okay, now we need to select these options. Click here skip. Here you can search for anything. For example, let me type create a 3D model for BMW car, and here you can see we have 25 credits. Click here. Now it has started working on it, and here you can see what we can do with this model. So we can easily rotate to the 360 angle. So let me show you once it complete. Here you can see BMW model is ready. Click here. Now you can see different options on the right side as well as left side. So select this option, rotate button. Now you can rotate this car to the any angle. So let me check from different angles. That looks perfect. And here we have different options. So let's try. This one is cartoon style. You can export the model from here. Click here export button. Here you can select the file format. So these are the available formats.